Ian Wells, Chief Financial Officer of Australia's Fortescue Metals Group Limited, says that the Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement provides an exciting opportunity to deepen trading relationship in the region.
It's pleasing to see Australia as part of RCEP, the world's largest free trade agreement. This trading relationship remains critical to providing economic prosperity to both Australia and China. This new trade agreement provides an exciting opportunity to deepen this relationship further, as well as Fortescue's business links with countries in the region. As Fortescue transitions from a pure-play iron ore producer to a green renewables and resources company, we believe building and maintaining strong trade relationships with key partners such as China will remain critically important. We look forward to continuing our long-term collaboration with China.
The RCEP agreement, which came into force last Saturday, is the world's largest free trade agreement. It was signed on November 15, 2020, by 15 Asia-Pacific countries after 8 years of negotiations that started in 2012.